Your ceiling fan has a switch on the motor housing, often requiring a thin tool to move. Most homeowners have never touched it. If your fan is spinning counterclockwise right now, it is in summer mode. In your winter living room, it is costing you 23% of your heating bill. Warm air rises. The air your HVAC heats rises to the ceiling and stays there. Because warm air is less dense than cool air, stratification is stable. The air at floor level, where you live, stays cooler. Your thermostat, which is mounted at wall height, reads the air temperature at that height. It calls for heat when it drops below the set point. The ceiling can be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the floor. Your HVAC system is reheating air that is already in the room. A ceiling fan running clockwise at low speed is in destratification mode. It pushes the warm air layer at the ceiling outward and down the walls. It circulates it back to floor level without creating a downward draft. The thermostat satisfies at the set point with 23% fewer cycles. No new equipment. No installation. 11 seconds to flip the switch. Smart thermostat. $287 installed. At cost, $47 for the unit, $95 for labor, $45 for service. Total cost, $187. What they charge? $287. Payback at $287. 18 to 24 months. Ceiling fan destratification reduces heating cost by circulating already heated air. Average savings, 15 to 23%. Payback, 11 seconds. The two measures are additive, reducing heating cost by 23 to 35% combined. But the HVAC company selling the smart thermostat has never mentioned it. Here is the thermodynamics, and why clockwise at low speed is the specification. In a heated room with no air movement, the temperature gradient is approximately half a degree per foot. In a 10-foot ceiling room, the ceiling is 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the floor. The thermostat reads temperature at installation height, typically 48 to 60 inches above the floor. The average air temperature is 2 to 5 degrees higher than the thermostat reading. Ceiling fan clockwise rotation pushes air upward through the center of the fan disc. The outward flowing air descends along the wall surfaces, a gentle downdraft at the room perimeter. The effect is destratification. The temperature gradient collapses. At high speed, the fan creates a perceptible airflow that produces an evaporative cooling sensation. Low speed provides destratification without draft. Low speed is the specification. Fan diameter matters. A 52-inch fan in a 200-square-foot room provides adequate destratification. Stop. The 1961 documentation. The documented finding? Ceiling fans operated in reverse reduced thermostat cycle frequency by 15 to 23%. The mechanism was described as eliminating the effective dead zone of stratified warm air. The recommendation: all ceiling fans should be operated in reverse as a standard energy conservation measure. Every HVAC engineer is trained on ASHRAE standards. The salesperson has access to the same ASHRAE data showing the fan switch achieves 15 to 23% savings. The ceiling fan reverse switch generates no service call, no product sale, no installation fee. Ceiling fan destratification is most effective in rooms with ceilings 9 feet or higher. It works in rooms with significant stratification, where you can feel the difference between your face and your feet. It is less effective in rooms with radiant floor heating, where heat enters at floor level. The direction switch is present on virtually all ceiling fans manufactured since 1975. Some newer fans reverse direction via the remote control, a specific button sequence. On fans with a pull chain, the reverse is usually a side-mounted slide switch on the housing. In summer, counterclockwise. In winter, clockwise. Blades pull air upward. If your fan doesn't have a reverse switch, it is likely a decorative-only fan. Most functional ceiling fans, 42 inches or larger, have the switch. Step 1. Turn the fan off. The motor must be fully stopped before reversing direction. Step 2. Locate the direction switch on the motor housing, between the blade brackets. Step 3. Slide the switch to the winter clockwise position. On remote-controlled fans, press and hold the reverse button. Step 4. Turn the fan on at the lowest speed setting. Verify the blades are spinning clockwise when viewed from below. Step 5. Stand below the fan. You should not feel a direct downward airflow. If you feel a draft, reduce to a lower speed setting. That's it. 11 seconds to flip the switch. The temperature gradient collapses from 8 degrees ceiling to floor to 2 degrees. The thermostat cycles less frequently. U.S. residential HVAC service generates $14.3 billion annually. Tonight, look up at your ceiling fan. It's probably spinning counterclockwise right now. Find the switch on the motor housing. Flip it. Set it to low speed. Tell me in the comments, ceiling height and what your heating bill looks like this month. Next video. Your dishwasher is not cleaning dishes on the top rack. The repair technician says the wash arm bearing is failing. $220 to replace. The wash arm is fine. The problem is mineral scale blocking the spray holes. A condition that dissolves completely in a $1.97 citric acid cycle. This was in dishwasher manufacturer maintenance documentation in 1964.